Welcome to my channel. Let's learn about alphabets. Today we are going to learn about the letter N. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N. N. This is capital N and this is lowercase letter n. Now you are familiar with the letter N. Let's learn the sound. The sound of letter N is na, 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 na. Let's learn some interesting words that have the sound na, 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 na. Here we go. N for neck, neck. N for nails, nails. N for nose, nose. Neck, nails, nose. N for night, night. N, night. N for nest, nest. N for nurse, nurse. N, nurse. N for naughty, naughty. N, naughty. N for nap, nap. N, nap. N for newborn, N for newborn, newborn. N for noise, noise. N, noise. N for net, net. N for net. N for newspaper, newspaper. N, newspaper. N for noodles, noodles. N, noodles. N for numbers, numbers. I hope you have learnt a lot about N. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Tata, bye bye.